Alright, I just thought I'd document this. We got two Miatas here. This is Josh's favorite Miata. And what he did is he sold the motor to some guy a long time ago. So we went out and bought this one for $400. The clutch is shot. And it's kind of tore up a little bit. So, the motor runs good. And this one has a motor. And it runs good. This one doesn't. See, it's empty. So guess what he's gonna do? What are you gonna do, Josh?
Go ahead and swap the motors.
No, you're not gonna swap. You're just gonna take this motor out and put it in there. The swap would be like...
Yeah. I'm putting this imaginary motor in that one after I'm done.
Oh, okay. And that one, we're just gonna... It has no brakes, so we're just gonna roll it down the hill when we're done. Yep. Get rid of it.
Yes, sir.
All the way down this hill here. And hopefully a big truck's coming by and just take it away. But yeah, I don't know why he does this kind of stuff, but whatever. I mean, he's ripped the dash out of there and everything. But this one has like good coilovers. It's got like other stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Good rims, everything. This one's just stock.
Yes, sir.
Then you have the SX back there. That's going to be the V8, right?
Hopefully one day.
The Nissan. He was going to put the V8 in here, and then he said, you know what? Nah.
Make it smog legal.
I'm going to put it back the way it was again. Smog legal. Alright, that's it. Alright, it's been a couple hours, and Josh has been working on it. Look what he did. I was not expecting this. He took it out to the bottom. Wow. Is that the transmission? Dang. You're just going to roll it over here and push it under this one?
Yep.
Never seen it done like that.
If you're going to swap the subframe and everything, might as well.
Dude, you should just start it up and see if it runs right there. Drive it like that. How do you got this thing standing up?
It's doing a wheelie.
Wow. So, in the last video, there was an engine in here. Now, nothing. Oh, you bent the radiator, huh? Or is that the air conditioner?
Air conditioner. It's okay.
Wow, good job, dude. I didn't even know you were doing this. Those tires look brand new. Yeah, you still got the name on me, but you scored on tire. Yeah. A tire, that one's not new.
The back two ones are new also.
Huh. Awesome, dude.
Yep.
So put it in there and we'll start it up and see how it runs.
Alright. Next video. Just kidding. This video. The end of this video.
Yeah. And I have a broken car. Josh has 2 broken cars.
I have 3 broken cars. 4 if you count my bus. It's semi-broken.
Alright. That's it for now. I'm trying to keep this short. So how's it going, Josh? How's it going?
What's up? It's going good. Got the subframe out.
Whoa, can I crawl under it? Wait. I better not. Oh my gosh. Hey, turn that radio down. YouTube will kick me off. Wow, dude. So you're jacking it up right now?
Jack up the body, yeah. And a big wheelie.
I could have just lifted it for you.
No, but I want you to straighten the muscles.
So you're taking out that whole subframe?
Yep.
Check it out. He doesn't even have any room to do this. You're crazy, Josh.
I know.
This is all in one day. Not even a whole day. I'm gonna get out of the way. Look at that. Just ripping these cars apart like it's nothing. You make it look so easy. Look how dirty he is. Oh, he put a different shirt on.
Yeah, I threw a different shirt on.
His other shirt was a white shirt to begin with, and it was all black. Need a hand with that? It's the downside about videotaping. So now that's all you gotta do is throw that one into there, drop that one on it, start it up and go. Wow, good job, bro. You should become a mechanic, Josh.
No way, I hate doing this.
So ripped out that whole front end. Ripped out this front end. And now he's going to put that one on this one. The transmission and the motor all in one shot. Didn't even have to take anything apart. Except the, well, never mind. It'd take a lot apart. Alright. Enough of this. Anything you want to say to YouTube?
Hello.
He's camera shy. You should check out his channel, Slushy Gaff. You'll see the real Josh. Alright. He's got the motor from that car over there, which used to be right here. In fact, he had to take this subframe off because he had it in there for the V8. So he had to take that out since he's putting back in another regular motor. And where are you at on this, Josh?
Just lining it up.
Really? It's all attached in?
No, I'm lining it up so it can
Oh, you're just lining it up and then
bolt in the subframe.
you haven't put the springs in yet?
They're on the subframe.
Yeah.
Nothing's attached to the body yet.
Oh, yeah, I see him down there. So, this is where he's at so far. He's getting there though. Let me back up so you can get a long shot. Cool. There's Thunder, the neighbor's dog. Alright, yeah. Look at how dirty he is. Watch it.
A little bit of oil on my arm. A little grease.
That shirt used to be white. Alright, well, that's it for now. Oh yeah. By tradition, when he like gets gonna get rid of the whole car, he breaks the windshield. Did you do that with a spark plug?
It was already broken.
Yeah, but you finished it. But look, no motor. That motor's in here now. In this piece of junk. He's got racing seats in there. I don't know. Hope the door doesn't fall off. Racing seat, the steering wheel comes off. Took out everything from the dash to make it lighter, I guess. I don't know. He bought some lights for the top. He's gonna put lights up there. I don't know why, just for looks, I guess. But yeah, that's it for this shot. Alright, here's what's left of this car. And Josh just tightened the wheels onto that one. And that was a lot of work, huh, Josh?
Yep. Buttload of work.
But it looks like it's all together, so
Alright, I'm gonna start.
you're gonna start it?
Sure.
Let's see if it starts.
Key is in.
Bam. Starts up. Wow, nice and quiet.
It's alive.
It lives.
The lifter thing.
Check out his stick shift.
Such a quiet exhaust.
His emergency brake, it's all in a weird place. Removable steering wheel. Bucket seats. My butt doesn't even fit in that one. Not that I have a big butt, he just has a tiny one.
Hopefully that'll go away. Sure it will.
Yeah. What's up with that?
Hasn't ran in a couple years. Motor.
Alright. What are you doing? Should I jump in?
Down, but
Never mind. I wanted to see. Kind of ticking a little bit. Put a used motor in there and it starts ticking. That's sad. That would really suck. There he goes. His first test drive. Hey, it looks like it runs pretty good. He's got the welded diff, I guess it's called, welded differential. Or whatever it is. There he goes. He almost drifted it around that corner. But I guess he decided not to. Well, good job, Joshua. That's it for this one.